Hi friends, today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to clean up your Samsung phone by removing app cache. Don't worry, we don't use any third-party apps and it's super simple. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Method 1. Clear all app cache at once. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Care. Then tap on Storage. At the bottom, you'll see an option called App Cache. App Cache stores temporary data that helps apps load faster and run more smoothly. Over time, this data can build up, so clearing it can help free up space and fix app issues. To clear it, tap Select All. Tap Clear. Then tap Clear again to confirm. This will remove the cache from all your apps at once. If you don't see the App Cache option, it means your phone doesn't have much cache to clear, and that's totally okay. You don't need to do anything. Method 2. Clear cache for individual apps. If you'd like, you can also clear the cache one app at a time. Here's how. Go back to Settings. Tap on the App section. Find and select the app you want to clear the cache for. I'm selecting Android Auto as an example. Scroll down and tap on Storage. At the bottom, tap Clear Cache. This will remove all cache data for that specific app. If you want clear data, it will delete all the app settings, accounts, and save files, basically resetting it like new. Use it only when the app isn't working properly or you want to fully reset it. Method 3. Optimize system and clear system cache. If you want to clear system cache and make your phone run smoother, go back to Battery and Device Care in Settings. Device Care helps your Samsung phone run smoothly by managing battery, storage, memory, and security. Press on Optimize now. This will close background apps, delete unnecessary files, free up memory, and just like that, your phone is optimized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.